straight body. There's one of the dents. That's just surface rust. I think I got the door open a little bit, but straight body. This is that one rust area that I think might actually be a little bit of an issue with the bubbling paint underneath it. And there's the worst of the peeling of the clear coat. Just an old truck. Happens. But in all real regards, the paint's in really good shape.